So hello everybody, welcome to the part 2 of the series of inventory management systems. This is the second video in the series of 3 videos where I demonstrate how my inventory management system using Python works. My name is Arghyadeep Acharya, and so let's begin. So as I told you in the last video, I will create a distributor profile. So I created one. So the name is Globe Distributor. I put an email and all that stuff, medium scale, and the distributor code is DISTR0001. So in this video, primarily I will focus on these details, these functionalities. The first functionality is receive shipment of a product or consignment, then supply shipment of a product or consignment, and then a product damage or expiry record entry. So let's start with the first one, 11th. Okay, so this is the receive shipment portal. So let's enter the date of receival. So let's enter a random date. Let's enter today's date only. 26. Okay. Supplier ID. So okay. Now let's see the item code. So ITMCD0001. Alright, so enter the quantity. So how many quantities have we received of this product? So say we received 50 quantities, 50 bottles of, this was a shampoo, so 50 bottles. Now the rate at which we got the products. So the product's price of 17.85 that we entered in the previous video, that can be an MRP or something, but this can be a different price altogether. So let's say the warehouse gets it at a less price, so 15.45 or something. And then the total price of the shipment. So 15 times 50, don't think that it will be like 750 or something like that. It can be more than that because there are taxes and duties and all that kind of stuff. So let's say it's 780.25. Right. So we have successfully received the shipment. So it's done. So now let's supply a shipment. So that we can do using this option, supply shipment of a product / consignment. So let's enter the option 12. Yep. So first let's enter the date of supply. I'm going to enter the same date. Distributor ID. So I've already created a distributor for you guys. I told you right now. Okay. All right. Then the item code, let's see the same item code. Now let's enter a quantity. So we just received 40 product shipments. So let's enter a quantity of 12. And let's enter the rate or something. Now, say the rate is, say, $16. Okay, so and the total price is, say, about $300 or something like that. So at this point, the warehouse is incurring a loss because it bought the products at a greater price and it's selling to the distributor at a lower price. But let's not get into those details. But yep. So as you can see, the shipment has been supplied successfully. So now let me show you the current stock quantity of this item, right? So if you remember carefully, we received a shipment of 50 products, right? 50. And the rate at which we received was this one. Oh, okay. In fact, the warehouse is generating a profit because the rate at which it's supplying is 16 and that was 15.45. All right, so it is getting a profit, but okay. And so it has just supplied a quantity of 12 and received a quantity of 50. So that means in the warehouse at this present moment, there should be 38 items remaining, right? So let's log in and check it out ourselves. All right. View product item menu, search by item code, ITMCD0001. Yes, the current stock quantity is 38. So you see how when we receive a shipment and supply a shipment, the stock quantity automatically gets updated in the database. So now let's look at the damage and expiry part. So if a product gets damaged or expired, it's not a supply, it's not a receivable, but still the stock quantity changes, right? So this is what this feature will do. It's the last one, 15th, product damage expiry record. So a date of record. So let's enter a random date. Okay, item code. So it's ITMCD. All right. And a quantity damaged or expired. So we had 38 left, right? So let's say 8 has been damaged. Okay. Enter the rate. So the rate we're assuming is $15. So, okay. Let's assume that the total worth of the damage is about $130. Makes sense? Yes. Okay. Now, we need to select the type. So, has the product been damaged or expired? So, say the product has been damaged. So, okay, that's done. Notes and comments regarding the damage or expiry. So, the product got damaged during handling in the warehouse. All right. So, we see that the product got damaged. Yeah, shipment damage expiry report successfully added. All right. So let's check back the stock quantity, should we? Okay, ITMCD 1. Yes, 30. So yeah, so we see that 8 items got damaged and it has been updated. All right. So in the next video, we will be looking at the records. So just now we made a supply record and a receivable record and even a damage and expired record. So in the next video, I'll show you how you can see those records. And I will actually add some more records to make it more intuitive. So till then, goodbye.